Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT with Blender. Now without further ado, let's get started. First, open up your computer browser and head on to ChatGPT right here. This is the OpenAI website, and just simply go to try ChatGPT right about here. Now next is to download Blender, so all you have to do is search for download Blender in your search bar and select this link right here that says www.blender.org. So just click on that, and once you're in the Blender website, just click on download Blender right here. This is for Windows installer, but if you have a Mac OS, Linux, and other versions, just simply click on this, and you can also download on Steam, or you can download via the source code. So for that, I have already downloaded my Blender right about here, so I'm just gonna click this one. It will simply open up, and there you have it. So once you're in the Blender, all you have to do is to go back to ChatGPT, and let me just say, let's ask ChatGPT to design a code for us for Blender. So I'm just gonna say, can you design 10 cubes in Python for Blender? So just click on answer right about there, and let's wait for a second. As you can see, ChatGPT is now generating the code that we just want for us to copy in Blender. So as you can see, this script creates 10 cubes with increasing x coordinates right about that. So all you need to do is to copy the code right here and go back to Blender. So I'm just going to delete this right about there. And once you've done that, just go to this icon right here that says editor type. Just click on that for the drop down and go to scripting and click on text editor, or you can just simply hit on Shift F11. That is the shortcut. So for now, I'm just going to click on text editor. And now once you're in the text editor, just go to text right here and simply click on new. So if you have a text that has already been saved, just click on open right here. But if you don't have a text, just click on new right here, or you can just simply click on new right here. So let's just click on text and select new right about there. And all you have to do is to copy and paste the code that ChatGPT has generated for us. So as you can see, we have already copied the code right here. Just gonna copy it again and go back to Blender and just simply right click and paste. Now once you have done that, go back to text right here and head on to the run script so that you can now generate the code that we have just copied or pasted. So I'm just gonna select run script, or you can actually hit on Alt P. That's for the shortcut to run the active script. So either way, it will work. So for now, I'm just gonna select run script right here, and there you have it. We have now 10 cubes that we have just generated from ChatGPT. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, there are 10 cubes right about there. So if you want to add more cubes, all you have to do is simply locate the number of cubes that you just generated. So as you can see, I have 10 cubes. So just delete this one and let's add more cubes. Let's say we want to add 30 cubes for this. So all you have to do is type on the number or the amount of cubes that you want to have, and just simply type on text, and now just select run script again. So as you can see, we now have 30 cubes. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So as you can see, we now have 30 cubes that we have just generated. And the good thing about this is you can actually have a lot of shapes that you want to generate. So let's just delete this one right here. and let's generate some spheres. So go back to ChatGPT, and of course let's copy the command prompt that we have just had earlier and paste this one. And of course, instead of cubes, let's try spheres. So instead of 10, let's try 20. So I'm just gonna hit on enter again and wait for ChatGPT to give us the code. So there you have it. ChatGPT just recently finished encoding our code for 20 spheres. So all you have to do is to copy code and go back to Blender and select text right about here and click on new. Now all you have to do is to right click again and select paste. And now next is to head on text again and of course click on run script, or you can just simply hit on Alt P. So there you have it. We now have 20 spheres that we have just created thanks to the ChatGPT AI. So the best thing about this is you can actually do anything with ChatGPT. You can actually say 20 spheres, 20 rectangles, 20 triangles, and so on. So that's the beauty of ChatGPT. This is an AI that can actually provide you a lot of information and a lot of codes if you are into Blender. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you have any questions, comments, and even some suggestions, just feel free to enter it down on the comment section below. So with that being said again, that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!